So recently, in a Gleaner article, a mother of two came out publicly in search of a partner. And so our producer would like to find out if we would do the same if we're having difficulties finding our person. Simone, I mean, people have been doing this for a while, I believe. Okay, my age paper is going to show now. Do you remember the dating game, Simone?
Of course.
Yeah.
Of course. They rebooted it, It's back.
There you go. So the women basically say what they want in a partner.
Right.
And you have the three men, and then you choose.
Right.
But I don't know how sustainable that is.
Yeah. I look good on the surface, but this is 2021.
Yeah.
And I mean, there's a platform for over 50, under 23. I mean, it's like whatever you want to find your partner out there, somewhere out there, you can get it. But this topic is being discussed in light of an article that was in the Gleaner of a lady who essentially put her request out there in the paper, said she's 45 years old, she'd have no time to wait for the man to come along. So the article was done. And she put out there that she's looking for, I want someone that when I'm busy, he's there for them, treats them like his own, God-fearing, she can sit and talk with him. He must also be able to help her grow her business. She said, I've already seen the world, I'm already completed, but it's good to have somebody to share your life with and continue the story. And she has two girls, and she says the two girls want a daddy who's kind, loves God, and can care for his family. And she also wants him to treat her and her sister as equals, as he should never harm their mother.
So she's just laid it all out there.
All out there.
And that's okay, don't you think?
I don't have no problem with that.
Yeah. They say that it will manifest. They say if you want something, you release it to the universe and it will come to you. Lady, nothing wrong with that. People do it all the time.
No problem with that.
Yeah.
See? Now you have eHarmony and Match.com and singles this and that.
Christian.com.
I was going to say Tinder, but that's a different beast, as Clive tells me. Right, Clive? But Patricia K. Aarons Patricia K. Charles met her husband on Tinder.
Right.
Right? And she put out there exactly what she wanted, and he answered her call.
Nothing wrong.
You know, I don't know if that's necessarily something that's a bad thing. I mean, obviously there are some people who would not do it. I don't know if I would do it necessarily.
I don't know if I would do it either, but that's okay. I mean, it's just not my thing. But
when you say it's not your thing, what do you mean?
Give me nothing, say me need for say, okay, you must be kind. I wouldn't go public.
You wouldn't say, hi, I'm Janella.
And
I'm looking for love.
I'm looking for love.
If you're so-and-so.
Contact me at 222-5641. No, I won't do it.
That's not her real number, by the way. So put on the phone. She's not there. She's not at that number.
But it's okay if, there are women who want to go that route, you're in a hurry. But then I wonder, though, would you find someone who is genuine,
Do you know that the data shows that over the last time I heard, I don't know what the updated number is, but they say over 50% of the people who meet online get married.
Oh, I did not know.
Have you ever heard that stat?
No, that's amazing.
I remember one time we used to look at people who find love online and say, them weirdy? No,
Facebook.
It is like,
yeah,
it's like a thing.
Yeah.
So I think it really depends on where you are in your life, what you want in your life, and how badly you want love in your life. I have a friend who says that, the way to find somebody is not to stay in your house and not meet anybody. So I guess getting out and networking is one way. But if this is what floats your boat.
And I don't appreciate people who make fun of people who do that.
No judgment.
It's not necessary, really and truly. But yeah.
It's just the downsides and how you avoid them, because you have some people out there genuinely looking for what you're looking for, but then you have some real creepy deepies out there as well.
Yeah.
So you have to be really careful. But hey, life is short, people. You're looking for love, look for love.
Look for love,
looking
girl.
For love,
and I really do hope that Miss O'Connor then, and I hope that the Gleaner does a follow-up on this story.
Yes, tell us if she found it.
Because I hope that she finds her, what did she say she want to find? Her Boaz.
Her Boaz.
I hope that you find your Boaz. I hope that he loves your children. I hope that he's everything that you want him to be. Because love is nice.
Yeah. And if you find a Boaz, ask him if he have a brother. That's it for girl talk. Not for me, it's for Janella.
Simone, you just went out there publicly and said, hey.
Oh gosh. All right, guys, this program is like wine to fruitcake. We cannot do without it at Christmas time. It is
Greetings across the world.